Hello all, I'm R. Bharati, 2nd BCom CS from KCS Kasinagar College of Arts and Science, batch 2019 to 2022. Today, we have going to see about role of a management. The role played by a manager in a business organization may be stated as follows. To have contacts. He has to establish and maintaining contacts with many people both within and outside the business. The person with whom he has regular contacts within the organization include in subordinates, fellow managers and so on, government official, superiors, etc. Are the outsiders with whom the manager may have frequent contacts. To supervise. Every manager has to supervise the work of his subordinates while the latter are doing their work and offer necessary help. Supervision also need to be undertaken to ensure that the subordinates do not waste their time during working hours. To attain targets. Manager may work under pressure most of the time as they have targets to achieve. This is particularly true in the case of production and sales managers who are the line managers. To delegate authority. Managers may have to get this done by their subordinates. For this, they have to delegate authority to the latter to enable them to perform the task assigned. The manager must ensure that they at authority delegators is just sufficient to carry out of the duties by the subordinates. If authority exceeds responsibility, there may be misuse of authority. On the other hand, if authority is inadequate, the subordinates may not be able to carry out the task. To hold meetings. Managers often may have to hold meetings to put forth their view before their subordinates. Such meetings are also necessary to get feedback information from the subordinates on the progress of the work. Managers of different departments also may have to meet at regular intervals to secure proper coordination and to review progress. To act as a leader. As a leader, the manager has to set an example to his subordinate. He must be sincere, honest, and committed to his work. Only then he will be able to guide and motivate the subordinates under him. To ensure proper use of resources. The manager has to ensure that the organizational resources such as men, machines, materials, and money are optimally utilized. To resolve conflicts. Whenever there are conflicts between the employee over certain organizational matters, the manager is expected to resolve all such conflicts and arrive at an amicable solution. To undertake trips. Managers, particularly those in charge of sales may have to undertake business trip frequently, and as a result they may not be able to remain in hometown always. In the same manner, the managers cannot work strictly according to working hours. They may have to work even beyond working hours, sometimes in view of a higher quantum of work. To make decisions, manager also have to make certain routine decisions in connection with matter pertaining to the daily operating of the business. Purchase of raw materials, payment of wages, sanctioning of leave to subordinate staff, etc. are examples of such routine decisions. To act as a spokesman. The manager also acts as a spokesman of the organization and conveys certain information to the public whenever necessary. To handle crises. The manager is also expected to handle crises that may arise in the organization. Strict call by the workers, breakdown of machinery, fire accident in the godown or in the workplace, for example of critical situation that may arise in any one organization at any time. In such a situation, the manager has to act wisely and swiftly and find a remedy.